You looking for a single story on a half acre right here in the Southwest in Las Vegas? Well, guess what? You're in luck, because today we've got this 3,900 square foot party home in the Southwest of Las Vegas on a half acre lot, pool, spa, putting green, pass-through garage, 4-car garage, and we've also got RV parking on the side here behind the gates. This thing is just massive. Stick around, we're gonna tour this right now. Hey, it's Bryan Knisley, your local Las Vegas real estate broker. If you're thinking about buying or selling anywhere in the Las Vegas Valley, my team and I would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Information is below. If you want any more information on this property, comment info below, and I'm gonna put this one in right now. Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Southwest Las Vegas. Experience the vibrant allure of this stunning single-story residence built in 2015 with a generous 3,882 square feet of living space. This exquisite property is listed at $1.45 million. Nestled in a small, exclusive cul-de-sac of just 4 homes, this property sits on a spacious half-acre, palm-lined corner lot, offering unparalleled privacy with no neighbors on 2 sides and breathtaking views of the big desert sky. Step inside to discover quality craftsmanship and sophistication. The open floor plan features rustic wood-like tile flooring throughout, adding a touch of elegance to every room. With 4 bedrooms and an office, this home provides ample space for both relaxation and productivity. The Gourmet kitchen is a chef's paradise, boasting double islands and GE Monogram appliances. With approximately 50 kitchen cabinets and a whole home water filtration system, every detail has been meticulously designed for convenience and luxury. Hey, just a quick note, if you've got a property anywhere here in the Las Vegas Valley and you want to maximize its exposure to get the best possible price, please reach out. My information is below. I'd love to have a consultation with you to figure out how we can do that. Let's get back to the tour. And for the car enthusiast, this home offers a rare 4-car garage with a drive-through bay along with gated RV and boat parking, ensuring all your vehicles and toys are securely stored. For entertainment, the game room comes complete with a wet bar, perfect for hosting gatherings and creating lasting memories. Step outside to your own private resort-style backyard. Enjoy a heated saltwater pool, spa, and waterfalls, all controlled effortlessly via a smartphone app. The outdoor space also features a putting green, sand bunker, and a fire pit, making it an entertainer's delight. With over $200,000 in upgrades, smart thermostats, wood shutters, and a full home ADT security system with cameras, this luxurious residence offers the perfect blend of chic sophistication and ultimate comfort. All this can be yours for $1.45 million. Come and see why this property is the perfect place to call home in Southwest Las Vegas. So are you thinking about selling your property and you like the property tours that I do and you'd like this type of exposure for your property to get maximum price? Please reach out. Love to have a consultation with you. And if you're looking to purchase, my team and I are here to be a resource for you. If you like these videos and you want to watch more of them, check some of these videos out right here. And if you don't want to miss any more of my content, consider subscribing right over here, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for being here.